Hey fragrance fanatics, welcome back to Scents with Benefits, live here from the pre-storm area of South Florida, Jupiter. I thought, what could I possibly talk about? And today we're going to explore the wild world of perfumes and their unexpected uses, okay? I'm Camille Bank, and today we're talking about the serious stormy territory that I'm about to encounter here with my family in my house. That's right, we're talking about hurricanes, people, okay? In case you didn't get the reference, Milton is on its way. Specifically, we're going to talk about what to spray when Mother Nature decides to throw a Category 5 tantrum in the sunshine state of Florida, okay? So batten down the hatches, grab your emergency kit, and let's explore the top 6 fragrances to wear during a Florida hurricane, okay? First up, we got Riding the Waves with Bulgari Aqua Pour Homme Marine. Now, why? Because if you can't beat the water, join it, right? This aquatic masterpiece captures the essence of a stormy sea, making it the perfect companion for your hurricane adventure. I'm glad I got a bottle of that. What is that? Smell that? Notes of seaweed, grapefruit, and marine accords. It's like you've just entered from the depths of Poseidon's kingdom. Who knows? Wearing this during a hurricane might just convince the storm that you're one of its own, granting you the honorary merman or mermaid status. Just don't try to command the waves, okay? That's still Neptune's job. Next up, we're embracing the rain with Bulgari Man Rain Essence. This fragrance is especially designed for rainy days, making it an ideal choice during a hurricane, in my opinion. It features fresh, spicy notes that blend perfectly with the humidity that you're about to explore, okay? With top notes of green tea and orange, middle notes of musk and white lotus, and base notes of amber and woods, this scent is like a refreshing breeze cutting through the storm. And that combination of green tea and citrus creates an uplifting aroma that might just make you forget you're in the middle of a hurricane, okay? Well, that until the palm trees fly by your windows, that is, okay? Hurricane-proof windows, go, okay? Now, for the third fragrance, we're going on a tropical staycation with Crete Virgin Island water, okay? Because who says you can't have a beach day during a hurricane, right? We got some Florida men here that definitely gonna spend the day at the beach. You know what? Breathe in that island paradise with notes of lime, coconut, and rum. It's like a pina colada for your skin. Who needs a tropical vacation when the tropics are coming to you, right? Pro tip, spritz this on liberally, okay? Everywhere. Don't be a sissy sprayer with this one. Close your eyes and then pretend those howling winds are just a overzealous beach resort sound system, okay? Don't forget your imaginary umbrella drink with that. So, halfway through our list, we're diving into the deep blue with Prada Luna Rossa Ocean, okay? With its salty and watery profile, this fragrance captures the essence of the ocean, which is fitting for Florida's coastal storms, okay? Imagine a bergamot and pink pepper crashing like waves together, okay? While the lavender and the iris in it create a misty sea spray. The base notes of musk and vetiver are like the steady rhythm of the tides. Wearing this baby right there is like having your own personal ocean in a bottle, minus the sharks and jellyfish and all these types of things, thankfully, okay? For our fourth, are we on the fourth or is that the fifth already? I forgot, I lost count. I'll look it up later. But the next one here, I want to go with Demeter Thunderstorm. This scent is designed to mimic the smell of an approaching storm, making it a perfect... Well, I don't actually know if it's perfect because you got the real thing coming, but I still put it on the list. So, because I thought it would be perfect for experiencing the atmospheric vibes of a hurricane, maybe not having to go through it. Oh, whoa, what's going on with my mouse here? It has that metallic edge that evokes the smell of rain-soaked earth and wet air. So you can spritz it on and you'll smell like you've been bottling lightning, okay? It might be a bit intense for some, but you know what? So is a hurricane. So for those of you who are not lucky enough to be in Florida right now, or North Carolina, shout out to those guys. Maybe you just want to simulate it somehow, so get this one instead. Just be careful not to attract any actual lightning while wearing it, okay? We want you to aromatic but not electrified. And then last but not least, we're getting in a little bit of a cozy in our storm bunker, okay? With this baby right here, many of you know it. It is Myson Margella's replica by the fireplace. One of my favorites, actually. And, I put this on the list because sometimes you need a warm hug in the middle of a cool storm, right? So, this comforting sense, for those of you who don't know it, brings the warmth of a crackling fireplace, as the name suggests, to your hurricane hideout, okay? With notes of chestnut, vanilla, and wood smoke. It's like wrapping yourself in a cashmere blanket while the storm rages outside. Bonus, if the power goes out, you can pretend this fragrance is actually keeping you warm. Mind over matter, right? Now, all right, this is it. I know what you're thinking, but Camille, will these fragrances protect me from flying debris or storm surges? Well, no, but they're certainly going to make your hurricane experience more aromatically interesting if that's something you want to go for. But before we go, let me know if in the comments below right here, which of these 6 fragrances would be your choice for a hurricane adventure, even if you just want to simulate one, or do you have a different go-to scent for the wild weather? Let me know in the comments below. Like I said, if you like this video, subscribe, hit the bell, like it, do whatever you can to get the word out while I'm here, and maybe you won't see me for a couple of days. I do have a solar system outside, but who knows if that's going to stick to my roof. I hope it will. Knock on wood. Love you guys. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.